Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. I did a video in 2020 that was called TikTok for Adults Q&A, and well, it had tens of thousands of views and racked up a whole lot of watch time and subscribers for me. So today's video is all about TikTok for Adults Q&A 2021 because some of the information that I shared previously needs an update, and there's a mic drop moment that's new for 2021 that you cannot miss because it will change your mind on TikTok if you've been dissing it. But regardless, you need to be taking TikTok more seriously than you may already be as an adult entrepreneur. And I got a student that's at nearly 500,000 fans or followers on TikTok as of the time this video is being shot that can pretty much convince you on their own that it's worth it to take TikTok seriously now and not years from now. And if this type of student can use TikTok successfully to build their platform, their business, and their sales without being in-your-face salesy on the app, then you can too. Do I have your attention? Great. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. If you want to check out the previous video that I did that really took off in 2020, sure, here it is. Enjoy watching that video after you're done watching this one. What a difference a year makes is all I can say. I have many students, whether they have handmade type businesses, food service type businesses, coaching and course creation based businesses galore. They number in the thousands as of today. And hey, I've been a coach since 2013, so that shouldn't surprise you. What may surprise you is the fact that many businesses that are owned by people in their 40s, 50s, and beyond are making sales either directly on the TikTok app, like say through the messages behind the scenes, or through their websites thanks to the content they've marketed on TikTok. It doesn't matter what their business model is or what's for sale. One of my most successful students is Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. It's a single location food service establishment in the middle of Dutchess County, New York that shot up from barely making a profit in 2016 to a 7-figure success only a few short years later. And yes, organic social media marketing, not so much paid ads, got them there. And they've blown up huge on TikTok at nearly 500,000 followers or fans on TikTok as of the shooting of this video. And yes, they have so many people reaching out to them from around the world asking for merch or t-shirts and hats that they can wear because they found Joe's on TikTok and they want to go to Joe's, but depending upon their situation, they may never go there, but they want a piece of Joe's Dairy Bar for themselves. So seriously, yes, people show up at Joe's all the time, citing to TikTok or their kids finding Joe's on TikTok, and that has brought Joe's sales locally or from New York and surrounding states in the United States. But when globally people are telling you, hey, take my money too, thanks to TikTok, you do you need any more convincing that no matter what your business model is, and I bet you it's not food service, that you should probably in 2021 be taking TikTok more seriously? Yup, you should. The algorithm bends over backwards to help you, and you never know what's going to blow you up bigger. Like the time one of Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill's TikTok videos had another TikTok influencer react to it. And then the reaction plus the Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill video itself via the duet got featured on Jacksepticeye's YouTube video entitled Perfectly Cut Screams #4. And I'll share that video with you right here. Jacksepticeye has more than 27 million subscribers on YouTube currently, and as of the shooting of this video, the Perfectly Cut Screams #4 video has well over 5 million views on it. For real, that's shut up Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill's growth, but whatever, they were growing in hundreds of new followers or fans daily before that. But again, do you get the picture in terms of why your business needs to be on that platform? The growth and the potential for growth, even in 2021, for your business, your brand, and your sales is incredible. Therefore, without any further ado, let's get down to answering the top questions I get from my students. And here I'm calling it all collectively TikTok for Adults 2021. Question 1. Why should an adult bother with TikTok? Here's my answer. TikTok is a video platform that is currently one of the most downloaded apps in the world. TikTok currently counts over 2 billion, with a capital B, billion downloads for its app. With an ever-increasing amount of users, it's got nowhere near enough content for users to consume. So if you were to create content and do it in a way that TikTok users tend to like, and you optimize it so that it can be found in search by your niche or the slice of society that your business is meant to serve, you can be found now by a lot of those members of your niche very quickly on TikTok. The organic reach can't be beat. Question 2. Isn't TikTok just being used by kids? My answer, the same as it was in 2020, but with a cherry on top. Look, it's true that Generation Z is still currently the majority of the users on the TikTok app. Well, not actually. As the popularity of TikTok continues to grow, millennials, Gen Xers, and baby boomers are using the app too in increasing numbers in 2021, which is good news for you if you're an adult business owner who wants to get you some of that sweet, sweet free organic reach. TikTok currently has over 100 million users in the United States alone, and that country's inhabitants love to spend, both in their country's boundaries and worldwide. Between 2018 and 2020, the app's user base grew at a jaw-dropping 800%, and it continues to grow. So seriously, if you ever said to yourself, gee, I wish I were an early adopter on Instagram years ago, because if I was, I'd be ruling the earth in terms of my niche right now. Why does everyone else have all the luck? Well, you need to wake up, because TikTok today is the opportunity for potential meteoric growth the way Instagram was years ago. Can you still grow on Instagram even as a brand new business? Sure. Is it fall down stupid easy to do like it was years ago? Come on, you really need me to tell you the answer? Do not miss this TikTok boat, okay? If you do, you'll only be kicking yourself just a few short years from now. Question 3. Can't I just get on TikTok later? Here's my answer. I would not wait on doing that. I'd grab an account name or profile name right now before you can't get it later, because someone else, kid or adult, claimed it, and now you're out of luck. You want to do that to protect your brand integrity, if nothing else. Plus, yes, a lot of your reach might be going out to Generation Z. But here's 2 things to consider. 1, their parents might be monitoring their use of the app, see your business's content, and surprise, they're your ideal customer, and now they want to know more about you. Or 2, Generation Z isn't alone on that app. Right now, they're not even a full 50% of the people using that app. Hello, what does that tell you? More members of your niche and more people just like them are coming over to TikTok in ever-increasing numbers. You cannot afford to miss out. Question 4. This app is so crazy. What adults are on here? My answer to that, it's simple. Facebook started out as an app for college students only, and it was a far goofier place than it is now. People were sending like digital cupcakes and beverages to each other and stuff. So weird. And later its popularity began to spread, and there were plenty of adults, me included, who initially thought that it was the dumbest thing ever. But now, I do a lot of business on Facebook, and I can't imagine my life, personally or professionally, without it. Now, had I gotten into the swing of things a lot sooner, who knows where I'd have been by now. Please don't make my Facebook mistake, but on TikTok, okay? Get in on the action while the getting's good. The attention is easily won over, and the current and future know, like, and trust factor that you can grow for your brand is experiencing a golden era of possibilities. I've said it before, I'll say it again. You'll kick yourself if you pass this by. Question 5. I don't dance or lip sync. Now what? Seriously, there's so much more than dancing or lip syncing or crazy kitty challenges to do on this app. My answer to this question is you can just talk. You can share tips, tricks, techniques, life hacks, cool facts, show behind the scenes as to how products are made, share testimonials, talk shop, very quickly per video, but you can do it. The possibilities are endless, and the good news, when done well, pretty much all content is scoring big on TikTok right now. Question 6. Do I have to be great at tech or videos? Answer, nope. The production value doesn't have to be a big deal at all. When done in-app, your video editing options are decent, but we're not talking about you learning how to use crazy, sophisticated editing software, like you're busting out a major motion picture from your phone or something. In fact, real life, off-the-cuff kind of stuff, that scores big. People want things to feel more, shall we say, unplugged, but upbeat, fun, and useful on TikTok. So you're off the hook. Shoot something with your cell phone, upload it from your camera roll into TikTok's editor, play around with some text and a sticker or effect, add a song or a sound effect, and boom, you're done. And like everything else in life, the more you do it, the easier it will be. And I promise you, this is easy to begin with. And I'm over 50 years old and a non-tech person telling you this. Question 7. How can you market in 15 to 60 seconds? My answer to this query is as follows. Number 1, that's as long as many radio commercials are if you're still listening to the radio, or paid versions of a radio-like experience. Those short commercials are super effective, or businesses wouldn't pay thousands of dollars for up to 60 seconds of time. Number 2, remember Vine? Oh, I loved Vine. That app only gave you a sparse 6 seconds in which to make your point. So a TikTok done to the maximum time length would be like 10 times as long, and plenty of small, medium, and large entrepreneurs were able to market effectively on Vine, including the Home Depot, Lowe's, Samsung, and more. Sure, you've got to get to your point quickly, but that's okay. You can still make a huge impact doing it. Lots of very successful marketing campaigns have done it in the past pre-TikTok, and they're doing it now big time on TikTok. Come and join them. TikTok is still in 2021 the wild, wild west for brands and businesses. Ocean Spray, for example, a brand that's just sticking its toe in the water. It's a 90-year-old beverage company that, let's face it, isn't the sexiest thing on earth. It still managed to gain 15 billion, again with a capital B, billion impressions in 1 month, directly attributable to TikTok. What's the most important metric for you to pay attention to? I mean, because look, followers aren't something you can deposit in the bank and pay bills with, am I right? But according to Ocean Spray, all of those extra media impressions earned them a sales bump. Not attributable to anything else, just TikTok-based media impressions. Now even companies like Dunkin' Donuts and Walmart are encouraging employees to create TikTok content because they definitely want increased sales too. I'm going to guess that what you offer for sale is a whole lot more interesting than some 90-year-old beverage company's cranberry juice and stuff, right? So, mic drop, enough said. You need to be on TikTok, and my YouTube channel is loaded with videos about content marketing via TikTok. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. New content comes out weekly here. There you have it. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.